Every Tesla Model Y looks like this, but I want to change that. I want my car to look something different. So I'm going to be changing these taillights. So let's see how it transforms this to something like this. Now I have to be very honest, this installation is not really easy, but it's not impossible. At this time, I had gone through the entire installation process, so I can tell you that this is going to take some time. But in this video, I'm going to make sure that I give you a step-by-step process of how this installation works. And let's get right to it. Let's unbox everything. These taillights are from the brand Hansshow. You will find the lights in two parts, the outer half and one that attaches to the trunk door. The packaging also comes with a bunch of wires that we will get to in a bit. Let's begin by removing the tail light. First, use a pry tool to pluck out this knob. Now, remove the rubber seal. Be careful as it holds together with a sticky solution that can get messy for you. Since we have removed the rubber seal, it is now easy to pull open the side panels that are held together with clips. We only need to open them enough to reach the 8mm nuts that hold the tail light in place. I used an adjustable wrench to remove them. Feel free to use whatever tool you have. Then carefully use a pry tool to pull out the tail light. Before completely pulling it out, make sure to disconnect the plug. Next, we will need to remove the other half of the tail light. However, to do this, you must first remove these panels, as you will need to also route the new cables behind them. I wish these lights were designed in a way that you could simply swap the tail lights using the existing Tesla connections, but I understand why Hansshow uses additional hardware when you see the results in terms of the extravagant illumination. Before removing the panels, unscrew the stoppers counterclockwise. Similar to the previous side panels, these ones hold together with clips. You just need to coax them a bit to pull them out. However, for the lower half, you need to first remove these clips. The lower half is connected to a cable for the trunk light and the power tailgate. Now we have enough room to remove the inside portion of the tail light, and let's also remove the ones on the other side as well. Now, let's see how the connections work. Actually, it's very simple as long as you match the colors. Remember that the longer of the two wires is for the driver's side tail light. The most difficult part of this installation is routing the wires through that rubber tube and then under these panels. You cannot do it without a fishing line. I recommend this one from Amazon, which I will link below. Before routing the cables, let's first install the new lights, connect them, and test if they are working. By the way, for the inner lights, the connection is different for the Model Y and the Model 3, both of which are provided in the box by Hansshow. And I apologize if I haven't mentioned this before, these taillights are also compatible with the Tesla Model 3. I also suggest insulating the connection with electric tape to prevent water from seeping through, just an added precaution. So this is the result after routing the cables. Now, let's put this back together in place. Voila! This is the startup sequence when you unlock and get into the car, which looks incredible. These are the sequential turn lights, the hazard signal, and the reverse light. Must I say, these X-shaped lights would have been so apt for the Model X as well. My only gripe is that the reverse light is tiny and doesn't produce enough light. However, these lights match well with the side panels, which has the charging port on the side. I also like the smoked out look, which is neat. With so many Tesla Model Ys and 3s out there, your Tesla will definitely grab attention with these lights, especially when you're pulling into a supercharger. For that reason, these lights are well worth the effort to install. Although tail lights can be expensive, these ones are currently discounted. If you want to save even more, use my code and take advantage of the offer. I hope you enjoyed another accessory video, and if you did, make sure to check this video out where I recently installed a dashboard screen. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, it'll really help my channel grow. Until the next time, take care my internet friends, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.